Hey traders, Arjun here. 1 year ago today, Rahul bought his first stock. He had no idea what a candlestick was. No stop loss, no plan, no risk management, just hope and a Zerodha account. He thought trading was easy. Buy low, sell high. How hard can it be? He was about to find out. This is the story of Rahul's complete transformation. From scared beginner to disciplined trader. 12 months, 420 trades. One incredible journey. Rahul's 1 year anniversary. The complete transformation. Let's start with the numbers. 365 days of trading. 420 total trades. Starting capital 1 lakh rupees. Current account value 1,38,000 rupees. Net return plus 38% in 1 year. Maximum drawdown minus 18.5% in month 1, when he had no idea what he was doing. From a terrified beginner to a consistently profitable trader. These are not just numbers. Each one represents a lesson learned, a mistake made, or a discipline built. Quarter by quarter. Q1, January to March. Minus 6,500. The painful learning phase. Every mistake in the book. Revenge trading. No stop losses. Random position, sizing. Q2, April to June. Plus 18,300. Finding his edge. Learning support resistance. Propean trias. Risk management. Q3, July to September. Plus 12,200. Consistent execution. Following his rules. Smaller gains, but steady. He actually had a 7-trade losing streak in August, but handled it perfectly. Q4, October to December. Plus 14,000. Scaling up. Bigger positions, same discipline. Not a straight line. Real growth never is. 25 plus concepts mastered in 1 year. Support and resistance. Candlestick patterns. Moving averages. RSI. MACD. Bollinger Bands. Fibonacci retracements. Chart patterns. Double tops and bottoms. Head and shoulders. Wedges. Flags. Cup and handle. Volume analysis. Trade journaling. Trading psychology. Position sizing. Risk-reward ratios. Stop-loss strategies. Breakout trading. Pullback entries. Gap analysis. Sector rotación. Market structure. And the most important one of all, discipline. Rahul's top 5 biggest mistakes. All in the first 3 months. Number 1. Revenge trading on a Monday after a bad Friday. Lost 8,500 in one session. Kept doubling down to recover. Number 2. No stop loss on Tata Motors. Watched it fall for 3 days hoping it would come back. Lost 12,000 rupees. Number 3. FOMO bought Reliance at the absolute top after seeing it rally for a week. Lost 8,100. Number 4. Oversized position. Put 40% of his account in one trade. Lost 5,000 when it went against him. Number 5. Trading before 10 a.m. in the volatile opening hour. Random entries based on emotion. These 5 mistakes cost him 41,600 rupees. More than his entire first-year profit. But they were also his most valuable teachers. Rahul's top 5 best trades. Number 1. Pyramiding TCS in a strong uptrend. Added at each pullback to the 20 EMA. Total profit 7,200 rupees across 3 entries. Number 2. Swing trading ITC. A series of 4 trades over 2 months following the same support zone. Total profit 4,800. Number 3. MACD divergence on HCL Tech spotted the hidden bullish divergence. Entered on confirmation. Profit 2,600. Number 4. Cup and handle pattern on Asian Paints. Textbook setup, patient entry on the handle breakout. Profit 2,175. Number 5. Breakout pullback retest on Bajaj Finance. Waited for the retest instead of chasing. Profit 2,250. Clean setups. Patient entries. Rules followed. What actually changed in 12 months? Not the market. The market was the same market. Not the broker. Same Zerodha account. Not the indicators. He uses the same moving averages and RSI he started with. What changed was Rahul himself. Discipline. He follows his rules even when it feels wrong. Patience. He waits for his setup instead of forcing trades. Journaling. He reviews every trade and learns from every mistake. Risk management. He never risks more than 1%. And emotional control. He no longer revenge trades or FOMO buys. The market did not change. Rahul changed. Rahul's advice to anyone starting their trading journey today. 1. Start with paper trading. Do not risk real money until you are consistently profitable on paper. 2. Learn one concept at a time. Do not try to learn everything at once. Master support and resistance before moving to indicators. 3. Journal every single trade. Entry, exit, reason, emotion, result. This is non-negotiable. For risk only 1% per trade. This keeps you alive through the learning curve. 5. The first 3 months will be painful. You will lose money. You will make stupid mistakes. That is normal. Every profitable trader went through the same pain. It is the tuition fee of the market. Pay it and learn from it. Year 2 goals. Capital target 2 lakh rupees by adding savings and compounding profits. Learn options properly, not gambling on weekly expiry, but understanding the Greeks and selling premium. Maybe start mentoring other beginners who are where Rahul was 12 months ago. Monthly target 5% consistent returns. Not shooting for the moon, just steady, disciplined, compounding growth. The goal is not to get rich quick. The goal is to never blow up and let compounding do the heavy lifting. This is Rahul's story, but it could be your story too. Every expert was once a beginner. Every profitable trader once blew up their first account. Every disciplined trader once revenge traded. The difference is they did not quit. They learned. They adapted. They got better. 1 year is not a long time, but it is enough to completely transform yourself if you put in the work. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for year 2.